Operation of an S7-1500 CPU in plants or systems is defined by a special set of rules and regulations based on the relevant field of application. The general rules and regulations for operating the S7-1500 can be found in the S7-1500 System Manual. Pry off the connector cover using a suitable tool. Connect the mains cable in the plug according to the connection diagram. You will find information on which voltage the plug is approved for on the side of the plug. You select the voltage by inserting the coding element accordingly on the back of the plug. Close the cover. Tighten the screw on the front of the mains connection plug. The mains connection plug is now wired. Wire the 4-pin connector plug of the load current supply, PM. Wire the 4-pin connector plug with the 4-pin mains connection plug of the CPU. Connect the load current supply, PM, to the CPU. The load current supply is now wired to the CPU. If you want to supply the load groups with the same potential, non-isolated, use the potential circuit bridges supplied for the front connector. This means that you avoid having to wire a clamping unit with 2 wires. Use the terminals 40M and 39L+ on the front connector to loop the potential to the next module. Insert the front connector into the pre-wiring position. There is no electrical connection between the front connector and the module in the pre-wiring position. Thread in the cable tie. Connect the supply voltage 24V DC to the terminals 20M and 19L+. Insert the potential circuit bridges between the 2 bottom terminals. The digital input module is now wired. Insert the front connector into the pre-wiring position. Use terminals 40M and 39L+ from the digital input module to feed the supply voltage DC24V from the digital input module to terminals 20M and 19L+. Connect the 4 potential circuit bridges. Connect the terminals 30 and 40, as well as 29 and 39 to each other. The digital output module is now wired. Connect the individual wires according to the connection diagram on the inner side of the front cover in the terminal and screw tight. For strain relief, run the cable tie around the cable harness and pull tight. Move the front connector from the pre-wiring position to its final position. By doing this, you create an electrical connection between the front connector and the module. Tip: pre-wired front connectors, for example for replacing modules, can be inserted directly. The front connectors are now wired.